Let's watch. Let's watch. Okay, this is from 2013.
Brother!
Okay, I think it's a video of Hulk Hogan calling everybody brother. What? Okay, maybe I'm judging too quickly, but I feel like it's the cameraman making his Bigfoot yell. Brother! Sounds like he's a panther, too.
Brother!
Okay, let's keep watching. I can't keep pausing. If there's a little Bigfoot head popping out here from the woods... People keep saying, that sounds like you, Joey. I am not Bigfoot. What is happening? What is going on? Okay, what is this? This is just some guy that has seen like some leaves and it goes... What the fuck is this?
Icing.
What the fuck is this? What is this? You definitely made it. I did not... What? Okay, let's just keep watching. I'm sorry for pausing. Okay, he said just granddad, which I'm going to fucking galvanize my nutsack.
What?
What? What are these noises? What is this? I'm done. I'm done. I'm fucking done. I can't deal with this shit anymore. What is happening? What the fuck is happening with this? Is the fucking tree speaking? Is this the wise tree in the back? What? What? I don't. What is this fucking video? What? What is going on? What? Deku tree. What the fuck? Why would Sasquatch speak English? Is he evolving? What the fuck? What is going on?
Lower.
What is this? What the fuck is this? What? What the fuck is this? What? I'm going delirious. What is this? What the fuck is this? Oh, God. I am a real American. Fight for your rights. Fight for your life. This is the goofiest videos I've ever seen. What is happening? What is happening?
Brother.
Okay, okay. I can't even contextualize what you're trying to show me. What? Okay, so that's this may be the first audio capture of a Sasquatch singing a song. No, this is. Okay, so what the fuck? What? Is this a Sasquatch? Banana? This Sasquatch kind of beat. Punani? This is my what craziest, stupidest video I've ever seen.
Okay.